Scroll is the new layer 2 to Ethereum with a potential crypto airdrop, and in this video I'm going to show you what you can do to be potentially eligible, and moreover how cool is Scroll, because Scroll team is really building something amazing. They do a lot of research. I met the team at one of the conferences recently and I have a friend working at Scroll also, so maybe I'm a bit biased, but it's really a cool tech. Even though the website is really austere, raw for now, you can really read a lot of cool articles on the blog. So this is the roadmap that we're having right now. The phase 1 is done. We're here on the testnet, and this is where the things are getting interesting, because we can use the testnet to actually do some actions and potentially be eligible for the later airdrop. So first of all, I want to just mention the blog. If you're more into the research, crypto research, then have a look at the blog at Scroll. Has amazing, more technical articles and basically explaining what their vision and values are. So jumping straight into the prealpha.scroll.io, this is the website for how to configure the testnet and do everything. You can see all those different actions, but actually you can just do one thing. So let's start with the Faucet. This is the thing you click on the top. If you click on the top, then basically you'll be taken to the Faucet website, and you will have to sign with Twitter and request the tokens. Signing is super simple. You just basically give the read access to your Twitter to Scroll, so just they'll be able to see your tweets, and that's it. After you connect, of course, your MetaMask wallet, and doing that is simple. You get the tokens in a couple of minutes at most. Should be fine. So what you can do next is go to the bridge. If you go to the bridge above, you'll see something like that. I'm already connected to the wallet. As you can see, I already did some testing, and basically I can submit some of the transactions. So I already actually had tokens on the testnet, but the initial condition you have is that through the Faucet you will get tokens on the Scroll L1 testnet. You'll need to switch to that testnet clicking, and if you didn't have the network, then it'll be automatically added to MetaMask, which is great and simple. You can switch, and then you'll be able to send the tokens from L1 to L2 on Scroll testnet. So L1 testnet tokens, those are the tokens you get from the Faucet after signing with Twitter, so you should have 0.1 of them, and you'll be able to send them to L2. And basically, if you click on that and confirm that in the MetaMask, then it should be fine. The transaction should go on, and in a couple of minutes, it should all be on L2. Now, you can, after bridging, you can do the bridge both ways to make sure that you are eligible for a crypto airdrop. You can go to the swap website just above, and here you have to be on L2, because otherwise you'll be having wrong network. So you need to change the network either in your MetaMask or by clicking on the wrong network, and you'll be automatically taken to the Scroll L2. You will have your balance, so after bridging you will have some of the ETH on the testnet, and you'll be able to swap. So I recommend swapping some of your ETH. You need to choose a token, and for example you can swap into TUSDC, and if you do the swap, then basically this is what you will be getting. So you do the swap on the L2 and confirm the transaction to have it submitted. Now, after the swapping, again, the transaction is pending. After it's done, you can go to the pool and add liquidity. I already did that. The thing is, adding liquidity to the pool is also a great action. It basically means that you participate in the network, and you'll be able to have to add the liquidity for the two coins you have. So the Scroll ETH and the Scroll USDC. So for example, I can put the $3, those fake testnet dollars here, have the added liquidity and supply that. So this means that other people will be able to swap between USDC and ETH using my liquidity. And normally the way it works on, for example, Uniswap or other DEXs is that you get a small percentage for all the swaps. So normally if you want to supply liquidity, that's a great action on mainnets as well. Here we're doing that for the purpose of testing the whole network. And that's it. after adding liquidity, after swapping, and after using the bridge and Faucet, you're basically fine. You did everything you needed to basically have a chance at a potential crypto airdrop. As I said, it's really great to do a bunch of steps and see what's going on here in general. Also, read the blog if you're more interested into getting more into the technical details. And for all the other things, subscribe to my channel to not miss any crypto airdrop and learn more about DeFi and the whole crypto space. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.